Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Passat 2.0 TDI GT, which is a diesel manual. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in manganese grey metallic. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 18-inch Oxford anthracite alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing the manganese grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have a powered boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the Alcantara and Vienna leather upholstery finished in Titan black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. On your virtual dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 68,718 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need, including your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And of course you have front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, which allows you and your passenger travelling in the front with you to be kept at comfortable temperatures. You can easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction, and you also have front heated seats. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.